Welcome to this third video of faculty training program. In this video, we will discuss how you can join a scheduled class which is ongoing or which is about to start in a minute or two. So once you go to your calendar, you'll be able to see your classes, and in this case, I'm looking at my calendar and I can see that there is one class which is ongoing because it is visible in green color, and green color represents a ongoing class. And by default the date is automatically set to 18th, which is the date of today. So let us say I want to join this class. All I have to do is click on the name of the class, and once I'll click, I'll go to a join page, and since I'm a teacher, I'll get two options, join and a second device. Now if you remember the very first video where I was talking about primary device and secondary device, this is what I meant, and how to use this I will show you in another video, so just keep waiting as of now. Now this class was scheduled for 18th July at 13:35 minutes, and it is 13:39, and therefore I'm already late by 4 minutes. Now there are some information which is not visible: summary, presentees, absentees, guest, polls, agenda. So all these 5 are not visible. They become visible once the class is completed, and the status is currently started and it is not ended as of now, so I cannot see these details. But I can go to the agenda and I can mention the content I'm about to discuss in the class. So let us say in this class I want to discuss the auto cycle, working of auto cycle, and therefore when I'll come someday later I will be able to see what actually I taught in this class. And now I can save the description of this class. You can get the notification as well. And this is the demo group. In your case, here you'll be able to see for which section and which group this class is scheduled. And recording is not available because this class is not started yet. Once the class will start, and you'll put on the recording mode and you'll come later to this page, you'll find the link of the recording here as well, and you'll see the overall summary of the attendees as well. Now let's move to the join class button. So click here. Once you'll click, you'll move to another page. This is generally known as extended whiteboard page. And the very first prompt that you'll get is to select the mode of the audio. So there are two modes, microphone and listen only. Listen only mode just generally applies to student where they are supposed to listen only and not communicate. In case of teacher, you need to select microphone because you need to speak and deliver through the microphone. So you need to click on microphone. And if you are visiting this website for the very first time, you will get a notification by the browser that the browser want to use your microphone. So just allow your microphone, or if there is other any permission that is being asked, please click allow. Once you click allow, it will connect you to an echo prompt. At this point, whatever you will speak, you are supposed to hear back the same thing, and if it is so, that simply means your microphone is working, and you can click on start and connect to the portal. However, just in case whatever you are speaking you are not able to hear the same, you can always click on no to go to the troubleshoot page, and then you can select the source. So microphone, I'm using this headphone Plantronics audio, and therefore the default one is the same device. So probably when I'll be speaking, my microphone attached with the headphone will be used. If you select this one, Realtek high definition audio, that means you are using the microphone of the laptop. So sometime it may happen that although you are using your microphone and system is detecting sound from this one, so this can be changed from here. So let us say I want to select this Plantronics audio. This is the name of the headphone that I'm using, and by default it is selected, so keep this selected. And the second one is a speaker. So whenever the student will be speaking to ask a question, then what mode you would be able to prefer. There are two options. One is the headphone that you are using, and another one is the speaker of your laptop. So by default, at this point of time, since I'm using a headphone with the microphone, you can see the speakers are set to this one. But if I want to set the speaker of my laptop, I can always select the Realtek high definition audio. Now it is up to you to figure out which device name corresponds to what. In this case, I want to use the same thing. So it seems fine, and if I want to test my speaker whether it is working or not, I can click on play sound, and since I'm able to hear the sound, that means I'm using the right speaker. And then I'll click on retry, and if it seems okay, then you can click yes. Now when you'll join the meeting for the very first time, this is how it will look like. Now sometime when you are delivering your lecture through this portal, a student might tell you that they are not able to listen what you are saying. Now that may happen if your microphone is not set correctly, or you haven't given your browser the permission. So to check whether your browser has permission to use microphone or not, you need to click on this small icon here, and then you can see microphone is allowed. So browser does not have any issue accessing your microphone. So this may be the case of the device issues. And if a student are speaking and you are not able to hear, make sure the audio level of your system is up to a standard value where you can listen to them. If you'll keep it low, you won't be able to listen anything the student will be speaking. Now in the next video, I'll describe how you can use the different buttons that you can see here, different part of this interface appropriately. So do join me in the next video.